We've had this Wiggle car for a few years now, and my son still absolutely loves it. It's one of those toys that just never gets old. What I really like about it is that there are no batteries, no gears, and no pedals. Kids just twist the wheel, wiggle their bodies a little, and it takes off on its own. It's super easy for them to figure out, and it gives them a little bit of independence and confidence because they can control it all by themselves. The ride is really smooth, and the car works great on hardwood, tile, and even low-pile carpet. My son loves using it inside and outside. It's sturdy, well-built, and has held up nicely over the years with lots of use. The turning wheel is really responsive, and even younger kids can get the hang of it quickly. It's also a really good way for them to burn off some energy without needing a huge space. And since there is no motor or electronics, it's quiet, which is definitely a parent bonus. They come in a bunch of different colors, so you can pick your child's favorite. If you want a ride-on toy that keeps kids active, doesn't require batteries, and has great longevity, this Wiggle car is such a fun, durable option. My son still hops on his all the time, and it continues to be one of his favorite toys.